कोविडाक लागून तरंगाचे अस्तुरी हे प्रदर्शन जावंक नासलें, पण अनुमात 11 आनी 12 ऑक्टोबराक ताळगांवच्या GCCI बायला विंगाचे अस्तुरी प्रदर्शन कम्युनिटी हॉलांत घडोवन हाडलां. हे प्रदर्शन तरंग बायला उद्योजक संघटनेच्या जोड पालवान जातलें.
अस्तुरी प्रदर्शन तालिगांव कम्युनिटी हॉलांत 11 आनी 12 ऑक्टोबराक 2022 दिसा घडोवन हाडला. विंगड स्टॉलां आशिल्ले 100 परस चड स्टॉलां स्थापन करून बायला उद्योजकांक एक संद मेळ्ळा. गोड पदार्थाची सर्त, दिवे आनी आकाश दिवे, बायलां खातीर फॅशन शो, अस्तुरी क्वीन, लकी ड्रॉचो क्राउन आनी वेगवेगळ्यो सर्ती जातल्यो. ते भायर बायलां खातीर वेगवेगळी स्पॉट इनामाय दवरल्यात.
Asturi is a flagship event of GCCI Women's Wing. We could not do this event last 2 years because of COVID, and now because the situation is better, we have decided to hold this physical event at Talegaon Community Center, Panjim, on 11th and 12th October, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. This event, for the first time, has also been done in association with Tarang, another women's organization. This event has been organized with the aim to provide a platform for women entrepreneurs and self-help groups to showcase the products and services and widen their market opportunities. Asturi offers benefits to both budding as well as existing women entrepreneurs. Budding entrepreneurs and those who want to set up businesses can learn and enrich themselves with the expertise and experiences of successful women entrepreneurs. The Women's Wing of GCCI has always been at the forefront of to empower and encourage women entrepreneurs. This time, in going with the Government of India slogan "Vocal for Local," and we want local artisans and their products will be exhibited at the centers. We also have food stalls and a variety of cuisines and entertainment programs in the sidelines of the event.
So Asturi was started when there was basically no exhibition concept, but nowadays it's common concept to have exhibition. But this is unique because we are also considering the financial aspect of women and self-help groups concerned with nowadays financial situation. Asturi will have exhibitors from all sectors of society and all sections of society. Products on display at Asturi will be a wide range of home products, furniture, lifestyle products, handicraft, artificial jewelry, real jewelry, clothes and quilts, bags, bath, bed and linen, baby clothes, saris, Diwali decorations, dry snacks, Diwali and festive goodies. Our own local cuisine will be catered under the name Goichi Ranchipur, and you basically name it and we will be having it. That is what our aim is for this Asturi.
So Asturi is going to cater a lot of women entrepreneurs. It's a biggest opportunity ever, and we are really glad to be part of this Tarang. So I would request all the business ladies, it's not like you can sit at home and do any business. You have to take such opportunities and be part of such event to meet like-minded people and grab many opportunities like that.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.